Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on your HP 255. So to do that, first of all, we have to open the Start menu, go to Settings. Then in Settings, we're gonna have to select System on the sidebar, scroll down to Recovery, open this menu, and here click Reset PC next to Reset this PC option. Then you can choose one of the two options. So the Keep My Files basically will only reset your apps and settings. Therefore, it's not entirely the factory reset. So if you want to fully reset your PC and erase all data, click Remove Everything. Then you're going to have two choices on the following screen: either to download Windows from the cloud or to reinstall your Windows locally. So if you select download from the cloud, of course it will take more time, but it will install the fresh Windows copy on your device, and you'll be able to basically reinstall set up a fresh Windows on your laptop afterwards. But if you aren't planning to resell your laptop, or you do not suspect that your local files might be corrupted, you can select local reinstall, and this will perform the factory reset operation faster. After you do that, on the following page, make sure to click Change Settings, and here we can also choose to clean data completely. If we switch the toggle to yes, it will clean the drive completely and will make it harder to recover your files. So if you suspect any kind of malware on your computer, or if you are planning to resell it or refurbish it, definitely clean your data. It will take more time, but it will make the operation more secure. But if you want to just quickly perform factory reset, you can just remove your files from the PC and reinstall Windows on it. And the download Windows option is basically something that we've been through. So if you select no, you will reinstall Windows locally. If you select yes, you'll reinstall Windows from the cloud. And click no, click no, click OK or confirm to go to the next page, and then click next. On the following page, you'll see the summary of your choices and what changes will be made on your computer after the reset is finished. You can get to know with all of them, and once you are ready to perform the factory reset operation, just click reset and wait until this operation is finished. Now, the only thing that is important now is to keep your device plugged into charger, so make sure that your device is being charged, and just wait for the remaining time until your device is fully reset. Okay, so now you basically just have to wait until the factory reset process is finished, and you see the language selection screen on your PC once again. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.